Welcome back. It's clubhouse upgrade time. Welcome back to Dragonfly Ridge. Today, we're giving the veranda a design upgrade so it better matches the guest house interior. The back wall is brown galvanized steel and it's not the nicest look. Instead of just painting it, I'm building a series of evenly spaced 2x2 cedar bar panels that hang on the upper wall with a French cleat. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share, or book your stay with us at DragonflyRidge.ca. This is really the perfect spot for guys' weekends, girls' weekends, and couples' retreats. Okay, let's get into it.
One of the design elements I really love about the guest house is the stair railing. I use 2x2s, which are actually 1.5 by 1.5, and spread them out evenly across and went all the way up the stairs, and the whole railing's up there the same. What I want to do is I want to carry that over out into the veranda. It's nighttime here. I've got a couple hours to work at night. And I'm going to clad the top part over here with that same style. So when you're from out here looking in, it'll continue on in the inside. And let me show you what I'm doing here. To save time, I ordered all the 2x2 cedar pieces pre-cut to 54 inches. So this was just an assembly project. I did create the cleats by cutting a couple of pieces with a 45-degree edge. I created a jig to help space the pieces equally and then secured them with a cross brace, which also doubled as the French cleat. I then flipped the jig over to the other side and secured the second French cleat cross brace. Pre-drilled all the holes so as not to crack the cleat and then used 1.5-inch screws to secure it down. Then I hung the other half of the cleat onto the wall and made some adjustments, and the panel just slid right on. Easy. I made 5 of these in total at 4 feet wide to cover the 20-foot span. And here is the finished product. I think it looks great and does a great job of tying the inside and outside together. I'm always working on something new or improving something here at Dragonfly Ridge. Check out our website at DragonflyRidge.ca or watch our promo video showcasing all the amazing things to do here for the perfect guys getaway, girls getaway, or romantic couples retreat. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share, or book your stay with us at DragonflyRidge.ca. We hope to see you soon.